Hi. Nothing much to say today. I'm deeper into the Odin project, and I've started getting into Git and GitHub. Um, I've also started coding in Terminal, which is pretty surprising that I've been studying for 1 month and a few days, and I haven't heard of the Terminal and a lot of stuff that I've learned in the Odin Project Foundations till I started with the Odin Project Foundations, which is amazing because I think it's just like the basics of how internet works, how the web works, and what it is. What is a web page? What is a website? What is a browser? I don't know. I'm just amazed that I've been studying coding and programming for more than 1 month, and I haven't heard of Git, GitHub, Terminal, and all that pretty amazing and basic stuff yet. LinkedIn courses were fine. I don't know. I'm enjoying the Odin project much more. So now I'm going back to my place and getting my hands dirty on Git.